my channel. My name is Dan Ruiz and this is my kitchen. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit share, like, and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, appreciate your support. Today we're going to do a juicy, crispy, spicy chicken sandwich. Let's get to it. I like to make my chicken breast about 4 to 6 ounces. I think it's a good size for a chicken sandwich. Alright, let's start with our dry ingredients. We're going to need all-purpose flour, cayenne pepper, paprika. We're also going to need ground mustard powder, some salt, and some black pepper. Mix well together. Alright, let's start our wet ingredients. We're going to need our boneless chicken breast. We're also going to need some cayenne pepper, some paprika, also some salt, some black pepper. We're also going to need some pickle juice and also buttermilk, and then mix well together. Put it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Alright, let's start our dredging process. We're going to take our chicken breast that's been marinating for 2 hours. I'm going to go ahead and coat it with the seasoned flour on both sides. And then for how many chicken breasts that you have, that's how much you're going to repeat this process for. I have 3, so it kind of looks like this. Let's start frying our chicken. You want to set your oil temperature to 300 to 325, and you want to fry your chicken for about 7 to 8 minutes or until golden brown. Let's go ahead and make our sauce. We're going to need Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, and then let's all mix together. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Crispy, spicy chicken sandwich. Let's get to it. It's huge. Let's see. See you on the next one.